Now here the question is, from a point P on the circle with center O, chord PA 8 cm is drawn. The radius of the circle is 24 cm. Let PB be drawn parallel to OA and suppose OB extended meets PA extended at M. The length of MA is 9 cm. Now for this statement 1, we have this circle with center O, and suppose we have this chord AP. So this is A. So we have this point, say P here. Length of AP is 8 units. Radius is 24. And it says PB is drawn parallel to OA. So we have drawn this PB, which is parallel to OA. Now BO extended. So we have extended this BO and it meets extended PA at this point M. Now it says length of MA is 9 centimeters. Now this is 24, and if we draw perpendicular here and here and say these points are Q and R. Now suppose this AR, it is X, then OR is 24 minus X, and so is PQ. So this PQ is 24 minus X, and this is radius, so this is 24. Now in this triangle we can write OQ square as 24 square minus 24 minus X whole square, and this OQ square, it is equal to PR square, which from this triangle ARP we can write 8 square 64 minus X square. Now it will be 48X minus X square, and there will be 64 minus X square. So this X square will cancel. So this X will be 4 by 3. So value of X is 4 by 3. Now in this triangle MPB, O is parallel to PB. Then we can write MA upon MP will be equal to OA upon BP. Now we can also write this as MA upon MP minus MA, and it will be equal to OA upon BP minus OA. Now MP minus MA is AP, so we can write MA upon AP, and that will be equal to OA, and OA is simply 24 upon BP. BP is 2 times 24 minus X minus OA, which is 24. Now AP is 8, so we can write MA upon 8, and it will be equal to 24 upon, and this is 24 minus 2 into X, and the value of X is 4 by 3. So it will be this MA by 8, and if we divide everything with 8, it will be 3, and then 9 minus 1, 8 into 3. So value of AM is simply 9 centimeter. That means this statement 1 is correct. Now statement 2 is OA is radius of the circle with center at O, and R is point on OA through which a chord CD perpendicular to OA is drawn. Let a chord through A meets the chord CD at M and circle at B, and also OS is perpendicular from O on chord AB. If the radius of circle is 18 centimeter and R is the midpoint of AO and AM upon MB is 1 by 2, then length of OS is 9 centimeter. So now we'll draw conditions given in the second statement. So for this second statement, we are given a circle whose one of the radiuses OA. So this is O and this is A. Now there is a point R on OA through which a perpendicular chord CD is drawn. So we have this perpendicular chord CD which is drawn through this point R. Now there is another chord which passes through A and which intersects the circle at B. So this point is B and it intersects CD at this point M. It says OS is perpendicular from O to chord AB. So we have OS which is perpendicular to this chord AB. Now it says if the radius of circle is 18 centimeter, so we have OA as 18 and OB as 18 and AM is to MB, it is 1 by 2 and this R is midpoint of OA. So basically this OR, it is 9 and RA is also 9. So OR equals RA and it is equal to 9 and AM is to MB is 1 is to 2. That means this AM is 1/3 AB and AS is 1 by 2 AB since it is perpendicular from the center. Now we'll prove that these two triangles, triangle ARM, it is similar to triangle ASO. So this angle A is common, angle ARM is equal to angle ASO. So from AA property, these two triangles, they are similar, and if they are similar, then AR upon AM will be equal to AS upon OA. Now AR is 9 and this is AM, this is AS and OA is 18. Now AM is 1 by 3 AB, so it will be 1 by 3 AB into AS is 1 by 2 AB and it is 9 into 18. So this AB will be 18 root 3. Now AS is half of AB, so this AS will be simply 9 root 3, and then in this triangle OSA we can write OS square will be equal to OA square minus SA square, and OA square is 18 square minus 9 square into 3. Now this is 9 square into 4 minus 3 1, so it will be equal to 9 square. So basically value of OS is 9 centimeter. So length of OS is 9 centimeter. That means this statement 2 is also correct. Now figure 2 is no way close to figure 1. So these two statements are correct independently, and answer to this question is both the statements are correct, but statement 2 is not a correct explanation to statement 1. That is, answer to this question is this option B.